Hi guys! So, remember in couple videos before I promised you to compare couple things for hair growing, uh, like from my experience. So I would say like I would say 3 years ago, I tried minoxidil from Kirkland, which you can buy at Costco website. This minoxidil cost around 35 US dollars for six of these bottles, and it's really cheap for 6 months. I would say really cheap because Rogaine, I tried Rogaine as well. The Rogaine, which is foam. I bought Rogaine as well, and I tried it last year. I paid $150 for 6 months for 6 bottles of foam. So I tried them both. So what can I say? Uh, the the effect from both of them is different. So when I was using this minoxidil from Kirkland brand, which is liquid, it's cheaper and it actually works better. Yes, foam actually performs better when you try to spread it. It's easy, it dries fast, it doesn't leave a lot of white spots. It's convenient. But what I found that the liquid works much better than the foam. So I would recommend, if you wanna try liquid, don't buy that expensive foam. It works, but it's not as effective. If you see, I have some hair growing on this one, but when I started using foam, actually it was much less. What else I can say? When you use minoxidil, after certain time, like after 2-3 months of uh, using minoxidil, it's kind of a recession for your hair. So they started suddenly falling off every time you touch. You get bunch of hairs. Like I was thinking, why that? So I tried to Google, and some people says, yeah, they grow, but then they come off. So you have to consistently use it. Then after trying Rogaine, somebody told me there is a cool device which helps hair grow, which is called Hair Max. I'm not sure if you really familiar with the Hair Max, but this is basically the small lasers. I'm not sure exactly how many lasers, but it's to cover your head. They also sell hats. They also sell the bigger sizes, smaller sizes. There, I can believe 3 different sizes. So I tried the, I guess not the expensive version, which has had like few $1,000s. So I bought this is for 500 something from US website, delivered to Canada. Was very easy and straightforward, because one of my friends said, oh, this works pretty good, why not try? So I decided to try. I stopped using Rogaine and I started with this one. After a while I noticed, yes, hair stopped falling. That's important part. The hair stopped falling. But they stopped as well reproducing. Then I decided I'll go back to minoxidil and use Hair Max as well. So I used both of them, and I noticed the hair started growing back to what it was when I started using minoxidil, and at the same time I noticed the hair don't drop or don't break anymore. So they stopped having that recession time after a couple months of using minoxidil. So I strongly recommend, if you can, if you have spare money, to try first minoxidil. If your hair start growing, if it's actually this product helps you, then you can buy and try Hair Max. I don't want to promote anything, no one pays me for promoting anything. It's just my personal experience, what I experienced and noticed. So I use both. So I use minoxidil as it's prescribed, twice a day, morning and evening. before I go to work and before I go to sleep. And I also use this every second day. Sometimes I skip it, but try to use every second day, once a day. It's usually like 5-6 seconds. It depends how big is your area where you would like your hair to grow stronger. And sometimes I even try to use it on the back, so my hair actually getting even stronger. I don't lose any hair on the back as well. So try it out. I believe it will work for you as well, but who knows? I tried for you, now it's your turn to try. You can put your comments below. Let's see if other people experiencing the same, or if you try the same products as well. Put the comments below. It will help other people to decide if they want to spend that amount of money or not. So now I'm gonna show how this thing works. So like, I don't know, there is a lot of videos, but so basically you place where you want your hair grow, turn it on, and you see the lasers come on. So it tells you every time you need to move. So the move basically roughly where you stopped and move to the new area. And I believe you do it like for whole head, you can do it like move 6 times max. So every session, or every session for this particular area takes only 30 seconds. So total time, how much total time? So total time will take 6 by 50 seconds, so total 3 minutes. So it's pretty straightforward. That's pretty much it. So it's pretty straightforward. One button. It has USB-C charging. It's also comes with a stand where you can put it in and charge. Very convenient and very easy. The good thing is, like, if you use minoxidil every day, this one you can use every second. And I mean, if you forget, that's okay. There is no big difference from my experience if you use it like every second day, or like every third day, which is okay. The effect stays the same. The hair stop falling. I can't say like exactly if they reproducing or new hair coming out, but definitely hair getting stronger. And good luck to you guys. That's pretty much it, what I wanted to say about the hair mask and what I used for these two products. Subscribe to my channel. I will try to find something more interesting I can test for you on my life experience. And good luck. Have a good day.